I used to be very shy and timid, but now I'm as bold as a lion. By the end of this video, I will share with you the most powerful mindset process that transformed my life from constant self-doubt to a very confident person. Today, I will share with you 3 proven steps to rewire your thinking. But first, have you ever wondered how some people seem to breeze through obstacles while others stay stuck? The secret is not talent or luck, it's their mindset. The first step is something that we rarely talk about: environmental triggers. Look around your workspace right now, where you are right now. What messages are the pictures sending to your brain? Here's the thing. Your brain responds to images and pictures that it sees. Place success reminders where you can see them daily. I leave a trophy at my desk at work, not for ego, but as a constant reminder to me for what's possible. Now, before I talk about step 3, which is the most powerful step, let's talk about imagery for a moment. Let's do a simple exercise. Just close your eyes for a moment and imagine your future self crushing your goals, meeting your targets, and living your dream life. Add a feeling to it. A smile, a sense of satisfaction. Now, this is not just daydreaming. This is mental rehearsal. Olympic athletes use this to perform at their peak. Now, the final step is where most people get it wrong: making daily confessions. Now, I'm not just talking about any affirmation, but specific evidence-based statements. Instead of saying I'm successful, say I am becoming more successful every day by taking daily action on my goals. See the difference? Remember the mindset process I promised you at the beginning of the video? I'll give it to you now. But before then, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. That's the only way to get to others. Now, back to the process. Combine these 3 steps in a morning ritual. Start with your visual triggers, then move to your mental imagery and seal it up with your personal power statements. This triple approach rewires your brain for success. Be consistent with this just for 7 days and see how it will transform your mindset and the way you see life. I'm talking about consistency. See this video on how you can build consistency in anything and get results in that area.